DroneTalks is an online platform to spread ideas and to educate in the drone ecosystem, to enable and foster innovation for a better future.
Hi everybody, my name is Mike Glasgow. I'm the UTM Architecture and Standards Lead at Wing, but for this series of videos, much more importantly, I am co-chair of a working group under ASTM International that is developing a standard referred to as UTM USS Interoperability. And I am also the lead for the network portion of the ASTM standard on remote ID, which has already been published. That's F341119. ASTM International is a well-known standards development organization. They have activities or participation from over 110 different countries, over 30,000 mostly volunteers that help develop the standards, and to date have produced over 12,800 global standards. I always like at this point to pause for a second and invite folks who might be interested in participating as we continue to develop and evolve these standards. If you want to be part of that activity, you're absolutely welcome. We already have international participation from around the world, but we always are looking for more folks to help us to get it right. So get in touch with me, and I'd be happy to get you hooked up with our groups and get you part of the team. ASTM is real happy to see that DroneTalks is putting together this webinar series to let the community know what's going on in the standards world, to develop standards to support UAS and particularly UTM activities. We're participating in this webinar series in a couple of different ways, a couple of different formats. We're going to do some long form interview formats, and these are going to be 20, 30, 40 minutes. And these are going to proceed at a more leisurely pace, and we'll take a little more time to explore what the thinking was and things like that. But not everybody has time to, or wants to have that long format. So we're also putting together a set of short format videos where we'll take some of the key topics, break them up, and try to cover them in, on the order of 5 to 10 minutes at the most, and give you that option for something that's quicker and more condensed in terms of the information that we provide. One quick note on terminology. UTM, UAS Traffic Management, has a federated collection of service providers called UAS Service Suppliers, USSs. That same concept is referred to in different ways around the world. In the EU, they have the notion of U-Space, and that is analogous to UTM, and the service providers are referred to as U-Space Service Providers, USSPs. In the UK, they refer to them as UTM SPs, UTM Service Providers. So the standard is written using the UTM and the USS terminology, so that's what I'll use as we go through the other videos. But just please understand that you can substitute in U-Space and USSP or whatever your set of acronyms are, and they mean the same thing. So we hope you enjoy this series. We hope it's informative. Let us know if you got any ideas for things we could add to it, and we'll see you in the next set of videos. Thank you.
Brought to you by DroneTalks Online, a platform designed to spread ideas and educate in the drone ecosystem. Search for DroneTalks.online to hear from more of our industry leaders and to find out how you can get involved.